Hey guys, it's really good for a change that we're having rain here in South Florida. Because you know we had a pretty dry June, although we had rain like 2 weeks ago. It's June 27th, 2015. Whoa, the winds are picking up right now. Whoa.
Yeah, but I'm not going to do the true credit card thing. That's stupid on the phone. Well, just put my credit card. Next time you come over, bring me a whole bunch of tortillas. Some people don't need a timeout. Okay?
Ah.
Look at her face. It's not happening.
Toby, move out of TV's spot. That's your spot.
No, that's okay. I'm going to smoke a bad stick.
Ooh, how's the weather looking? I love it.
Yeah.
Don't you love to watch the clouds and feel the breeze?
Are you kidding me? I love it.
So, it feels so nice, right?
I like storms.
This is my favorite part of the storm, actually, before the storm actually comes.
Yeah.
Oh, where the wind starts to pick up and it gets the most and all that?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You know how many YouTube videos he has on YouTube?
Sophie, you can't go outside, honey. There's lightning. Come back in. Come back in, honey.
Whatever we do, I need to hold this door. No, because if that door stands by accident, I'm gonna like freak out and blame myself. Yeah, I'm gonna stand there.
Oh yeah, plus we got Sophie there.
Yeah. Why don't you do it through my? Oh well, no, forget it. I don't want the dogs bothering too much.
No.
We'll give them a few minutes after the little bit.
It's nice, huh, Gooey?
Oh, the storm?
Yeah, she likes it too. Kids love this kind of
When
stuff.
it gets worse, I'll call you.
Yeah.
You good?